Hey, how's it going, everyone? My name is D, and you're now tuned into New Touch Auto. In this video, I'll be showing you how to remove the side mirrors from your Ford Explorer. This is a 2023 model. The years from 2018 on up to 2023 has the same process. Let's get right into it. Throughout this video, I'll show you all the tools needed to complete this process. Start here by removing two panels. You will need to remove this panel right behind the handle and the control panel here. Now when you remove the control panel, you want to start on this end, work your way up to here, and once you feel it loose, slide it back that way and it'll slide out properly. Then you'll have to disconnect your electrical accessories. Here, you want to go ahead and remove the panel. You can start back in this area here, and what I'll be using is a plastic trim tool. When you remove it, on the back side, you have two pins here. Once you release all the fastenings, you want to slide it back and out. The electrical accessory, there's a push pin right here. Push it down and you slide it out. Right behind this panel, you have a 7mm screw. Right behind this panel, you will have a 10mm screw. You will need to remove the two 7mm screws that are located directly underneath. Here's the location for the two 7mm screws. You have one there, and the other one is adjacent to that one. Once you've removed all the outer screws, you want to go ahead and pry open the door panel. You can start on either side, but your clips are located in this area here. So you will need to pry your way all the way around. And once we pry our way around, you'll hear the snaps. Don't be alarmed, that's normal. Once everything snaps apart, you can go ahead and lift up on your door panel and pull it out of the way. But before you remove it, you will have to release all of the electrical accessories on the backside, including the handle piece. I begin with my plastic trim tool. I slide in and I find an opening. Once your door panel is released from all the clips, you take your door panel and you lift up. On the back side, there's 4 electrical accessories connected. And then you have this connection here. Then you have the handles connection on the back side as well. And once you remove your door panel, you want to check on the back side and make sure that the clips are still intact. Now the total clips that the door panel has is 5. They're located here, 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 and here. That clip is absent, so you don't have to worry about that one. Now on the back side of the door panel, the electrical accessories and everything else is pretty much all push pins. Everything except this one right here, which is the lock. You want to take this one and you can squeeze down on these clips here on both sides and it'll release. When you get down to the door panel, this is where the handle is. You can push down on this top side and it'll release. Everything else, push pins, push down on the top side of them and they'll release as well. And so our next step would be to remove this panel here. We're gonna go ahead and remove this clip. Slide this out of the way. You don't have to completely remove it. You just pretty much slide it out of the slot. Now on this back side, you have 2 electrical accessories that you'll need to remove as well. So push down on this one. Take your time with this one because this one here is just not gonna come out. This one right here, you wanna push that pin on the bottom side, just push it in and slide it out. Next step will be to remove the 3 10mm screws that are located here, here, and here. The next step will be to go ahead and remove the side mirror. Take your time because you'll have to remove it from underneath this flap here. So you slide it out, down, and pull it away. And that concludes the end of the video. Thank y'all for checking this out. We have more that we'll be doing to this vehicle. We got to finish vinyl wrapping it, so that video will be uploaded soon. We also will have a video removing the door handles as well. If you'd like to check those out, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. That video will notify you when it's uploaded and you'll have more knowledge to your vehicle. Catch y'all on the next one.